Hi everyone, it's Sandy. I'm really excited to do an unboxing video for Taperlogy. I will put down below the link to their online store. I also have a discount coupon code that you could use if you use the links down below if you're interested in the products that are inside the box that I'm going to share with you. It's a 10% discount. I haven't seen what's inside the box. I'm really excited to see what there is. They have a lovely range of gorgeous craft supplies for all of your crafting needs, especially if you are into working with junk journals or shabby theme or vintage style projects. They have a lot of great supplies there for you to use on your projects. I'm just trying to open the box. So it is a fairly large box, so I'm really excited to see what is inside, and I also can't wait to be working with the items that are in here. I did an unboxing not too long ago for Taperlogy. I'll put the link down below to that one as well. It's just amazing stuff. Oh wow, oh my goodness, look at all of this, how nice it is. I did receive the box just before Christmas, I think a couple of days before Christmas. So I haven't had a chance to open it as I've had just been busy. But look at all of this. This is just gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I don't know where to start. Well, there is a card in here. It says Happy Holidays. Now, there may be some Christmas theme items in here, which is fine because it would be great to get started for this year's Christmas. And there is what do they call this? A wax seal. And I think this is handmade. If I'm not wrong, this is handmade. So that is really cute. That would be lovely to use. And oh, what is this? This looks brilliant. I love the packaging. The feel of this just feels so nice. And I have a link. It's a Sandy's treasure trove from Taperlogy. So you can go into my my page in their website to have a look at all of the products there too. And oh, this feels so nice. I like the feel of this packaging. So this must be some calico, cheese rabbit studio. Cute little packaging. So it's like some calico, which would be great for collaging your on your journals. So there's a length of calico fabric. So you can that's lovely. And what else is it? So there are, this looks like a paper pad with, look at these images. So I will link down below to all of these products that I'm showing you if you are interested. Look at these gorgeous flowers. Oh my goodness. And it's pink, which is my favorite color. Oh, look at this one. Oh, I love this. I could have so much fun with these. Oh, can you see all that? How pretty is that? It's beautiful. And there's a ton of these. Look how thick that is. Oh, I love this. This would be perfect for collaging or embellishing your journal pages, your tags, cards, pockets. And it's not a bad size. I think it's like a 4 by 6 size. Sorry, I just can't stop looking at this. This is just beautiful prints. Just lovely. All right, so let's move along. So these are some, wow, these are fabric. Heaps of them. Oh my gosh, look at these. There's a heap of these. Definitely worth the buy if you love working with fabric on your journals. Even the size, it may be a small size, but you can still work with these. You can cut these in half, or you can cut them even smaller. You can use these for your page tabs on the edge of your journals, and then just glue it down, and then you'll have a little page tab. It's still enough to make little small rough fabric ruffles. You could do that with that. You can use this for clusters, for fabric snippets, clusters. I could even make my fabric yo-yos with this size. But look at that, you get a whole heap of these. And it even feels so nice. Let me just quickly show you some of the prints. I won't go through all of them, but I'll show you some. Oh, look, this is nice. I love this one. And the patterns are just adorable to work with. I think this would go well with any of your projects. I think, let's have a look, some more. Oh, these are just so pretty. There's a lot of different color tones. So it's a great range. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to start playing around with these. And I might be able to give you some ideas of what I'm still trying to think about, what else I could do with these gorgeous fabrics. But there you go, there are a whole heap, and they've got a nice like a zigzag edge to the fabric too, so that's pretty. So there is a ton of those. I don't even know how many there are only, but heaps there. I'll start with this one. Oh, what's this? It's a nice little box. I should use just 1 second. Just try and cut the they give you quite a generous amount too in what you get. Oh, this is nice. It's like a little book. Painting of Time 2023 calendar. Oh wow, oh my gosh, look at these. And you can just tear these out and add these to your planners or your journals. That is fantastic. I like this. It's got a nice shiny feel to the papers, and when you can tear these out. This must be the full year. Yeah, this is the full year of each day of the year image. Very nice. One for each day of the year. Let me see what September 18th, which is my birthday. What image is that? What have we got? September 11, 16. That's my birth date. And she's cute. He's cute. She's cute. It's still cute. Whatever it, I think it's a male. Female. But it's beautiful. I love the blue. So this is just lovely. I like this. Right, so that is the little booklet for 2023 calendar. That's that one. What else do we have? Oh, there's still a ton in here. Better move along quickly. This is just for you. Merry Christmas. I'll open that in a second. Also, there is another calico fabric, which is the same as this one, which I won't open, but there's 2 of these that I received. And some more of these gorgeous handmade papers, which I love. So these are some of the handmade papers. Wrapped in some twine. I can find the other end to open it. Okay, there we go. Oh, there's even some little ephemera pieces, some labels. So there's a bunch of those in there. We all love these for those that do junk journaling. These are just handy to have. So there were those inside the pocket, and then some of these handmade papers. And they're nice and thick. It's really thick. Nice neutral colours. Very, very pretty. Get a few of those. So there is these ones. And then there are a couple of these more finer, thinner papers with some fibres. And then there were these ones as well. Lovely neutral tones. So there's quite a few of those in the pack. It's a nice one too. So that's those. So that's this one here. Just in case you're wanting to know which one it is, if you do decide to have a look in my on the products. And we have, let's see what these are. It's a lovely vellum pocket, and we just these out, and inside looks like some butterfly die cuts. Oh, nice, very intricate, beautiful butterfly die cuts. Oh, very delicate to these ones. Just trying to be gentle without tearing pattern. So we have two purple, they're nice size too, they're fairly large, and there are two pink ones and two cream coloured butterflies. These are great. It saves me from doing my own. I'm actually not a big fan of dies with intricate patterns. I just like the easy metal dies that are just easier to run through the machine. So this would just be great. All tangled up in there, but there you have 6 of these if you love butterflies. So I'll just put them over here, and it comes with a nice vellum envelope which you can reuse. It's another vellum envelope with some lovely lace and wax seal. I actually bought some wax seal myself. I haven't had a chance to play around with it, and actually I did have a go, and I failed. It didn't turn out to be as nice as these ones, but I'll keep practicing because I think they just look really nice to use as a closure. Oh, there are wax seals in here. Look at these. Well, these look better than my one. Let me grab the rest of these out. So there is, these are available too. I think these are a new product in Taperlogy's store. And then I think these are just easily to peel off. Yeah, they just peel off easily, and then you just add some double-sided tape to the back, and then you can then just adhere it to wherever you'd like to place them on. So there are 2 sheets of wax seals, and very, very lovely. I love these. This one says Merry Christmas, which would be handy to have for next year, or this year. I'm ahead of myself. And there's a nice little lace band there. Here's some more of the lovely papers. So let's see what you get in this pack. These are a larger size compared to the other one that I just showed you. So there's this one. It's a nice thick paper too. So there's two. There is these ones with some fibres on there. Again, it's nice and thick. Get two of these ones. And two of these ones. This is really thick, this one. So there are two of each. And then these ones. These are ready to add as a page if you have a large journal. So these will be ready to just place. And then there are all these fibres. Oh, I like the way they package this. This is clever. That's a clever way of packaging that. With some suede trim. Just don't want to do this without ripping it. It's a clever way. It's all these ideas. Would never have thought to create a closure this way. Alright, try and get this out. Oh, there are a heap of them. So if you do decide to order these, if you love using trims and fibres, this is how you'll get it in the order. You get this whole lot in the bag. I mean, there is a lot. There's this one. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 spools of all different kinds of trims. Wow, these are nice. Oh, they feel so nice. All different colours. So there's 2 to a spool. This would be great to add to your tags or to your journals. I love these colours, are nice. And then there's that one. This is nice too. I love these. I love the neutral. Oh, they feel so nice. Nice to touch. And there is a pink one. There is pink. So this is how it looks like. You can even separate them if you wanted to. There's quite a few joined together. It's probably about 2 meters or 2 yards of this yarn, trim, string, different textures. Very pretty. Very, very nice. There's a lot. You get a lot in the pack. So there you have. Get 10 of these of all different colours. Pretty much every colour. Orange, red, blues. And they come in packaged. So there's that one. I'm going to take this box out. We have here some rub-on sheets. There's 2 packs here. So these ones must be a butterfly theme rub-ons. And then you've got some flowers. And these. I'll take one out and have a look so you can see how many you get in the pack. There is a lot. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets of all different flowers, and leaves. There's this one. Leaves. And then there's these two. So there, those. It's a large, these are larger sheets too, so those. And have a look at the butterflies. Oh, there we go. So these are the butterflies. With butterflies, you get 3 sheets. There's this one. Oh, and there's birds on there too. These cute birds. And this is the last sheet of butterflies, all in blues. So you get 3 sheets of the butterfly rub-ons with some birds on there. So that is, oh, it's stuck. So that is the rub-on sheets for the birds. Just put that there. So there is that. There's that. We have some fabric. We have a calendar booklet. Wax seals, some die cuts, and there was one more package item, and I'll just put these here just so you can have a look in case you wanted to see what they were, in case you forgotten what they were. I don't know if you can see that all in there. Just place that, just trying to find somewhere to put all of these, but there is just one more packaged item here. This must be, I like the way they do that. Just punch 2 holes, fold your paper and punch 2 holes and add your trim. Get this open. I like the tag on here too. Merry Holidays. Keep that. Oh, look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I wonder if they made that themselves. It's like a journal book covered with some lovely embroidery fabric. It's beautiful. And I love this ribbon. Oh, Santa is so cute. Very, very cute. This is a journal booklet gifted to me. This will definitely come in handy. And I could use some of the items here to do some collaging in these pages. And I've just covered it with some embroidery fabric. It's nice. Very nice. Love the papers too. So that is a little gift to me from Taperlogy. So this is the unboxing of some of their latest items that are available now in their shop. Again, I'll put all the links down below if you're interested. This is definitely, I would definitely say this is a must-have to buy if you love working with florals and pinks. I love this one. This is probably one of my favorites, as well as the papers and then the fabric. And you can just work with all these for your projects. And I love this little calendar booklet too. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Again, I'll put all the links down below, and take advantage of my discount coupon code if you're interested in purchasing any of these products. And again, I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.